distant shores, no seven seas. Ours is an arena where we play the game, built with our own hand, then changed again. We raise the walls, we shift the lanes, a breathing beast that never stays the same. Corners hide danger, every shadow's alive. BBs flying everywhere, just trying to survive. Tactics never change through the passing years. Move with your team and conquer fear. Velts and bruises paint our skin. Take a hit, grin wide and charge again. We are the Airsoft warriors, the rulers of the maze, fighting through the thunder in the chaos and the haze. Round the corners, heads down low, feel the rush as the battle flows. The game may leave us scarred and dazed, but we are the Airsoft warriors, the rulers of the maze. Build the walls and tear them down, shift the maze and spin it around. The game is a beast that breathes and grows. No one truly knows where the next fight goes. Sliding into cover with your heartbeat loud, calling out directions through the screaming crowd. BB snapping past like a swarm of bees. Victory ain't given, it has to be seized. Fight through the welts and fight through the pain. Reload your mag and stay in the game. No retreat when the mission begins. One more push and do it again. We are the Airsoft warriors, the rulers of the maze, fighting through the thunder in the chaos and the haze. Round the corners, heads down low, feel the rush as the battle flows. The game may leave us scarred and dazed, but we are the Airsoft warriors, the rulers of the maze. Nathan is the Juggernuat, with a bucket on his head. He prowls the maze to find his prey. He hunts, he stalks, none escape his gaze. Every step he takes shakes the maze. You think you have him trapped, you think you have him cornered, but he just narrows his gaze. He drops his gun and pulls the pin. The crowd goes silent as the countdown begins. His grenade flies, boom, death from above, and the Juggernaut rules the day. Around the corners, BBs rain. Duck and weave through the pain. Call your hits and earn your name. Respect the players, respect the game. The maze keeps changing, alive and awake.